Change leaders replace outdated ideologies. Leadership learning. On 22nd August 1904, Deng Xiaoping was born, a future leader whose pragmatic vision and decisive reforms would not only reshape China's national trajectory, but also alter the global economic landscape. In the aftermath of the Cultural Revolution, China stood at a crossroads. For more than a decade, the country had endured intellectual suppression, the dismantling of institutions, and widespread disruption across its economic and scientific sectors. Universities had been closed, scientists denounced, and the nation's technological capacity severely weakened. China faced not only economic stagnation, but also a deep erosion of trust in its leadership and institutions. It was in this fragile context that Deng Xiaoping gradually re-emerged after repeated political purges. His return to prominence did not simply represent another leadership reshuffle, it was the beginning of a new national direction. His change leadership journey truly began in 1978, when he rose to power after the upheaval of the Cultural Revolution. At this turning point, he began to articulate a vision that would fundamentally alter China's place in the world. One of the clearest signals came in March 1978 at the National Science Conference, where Deng declared that science and technology are primary productive forces. By rehabilitating intellectuals and scientists, he reinstated education, research, and open engagement with global knowledge as central to national progress. This marked a decisive break from ideological purges, replacing suspicion of expertise with rationality, meritocracy, and pragmatism. Deng also declared the need for the four modernizations in agriculture, industry, defense, and science and technology to become the foundation for national development. The pivotal moment that secured his place as a transformational leader came at the third plenary session of the 11th Central Committee in December 1978. It was here that Deng formally launched the Reform and Opening Up program, setting China on the path toward a socialist market economy. These included decentralization of economic control, introduction of market mechanisms, establishment of special economic zones, opening to foreign trade and investment and agricultural reforms. This decision reversed decades of isolation and began China's cautious but determined integration into the global economy. It also enabled the reopening of higher education institutions and the restoration of scientific academies. The historical significance of this moment cannot be overstated. Deng's leadership catalyzed a transformation that would, over the following 4 decades, lift hundreds of millions out of poverty, rebuild institutional competence, and position China as a global leader in technology, infrastructure, and innovation. More importantly, it demonstrated how a single leadership pivot, taken at a moment of institutional weakness and public uncertainty, can redirect the course of a nation's future. For today's leaders, the example of China's Deng Xiaoping highlights a timeless principle of change leadership. When organizations or nations reach their lowest point, effective leaders do not cling to ideology. Instead, they articulate a pragmatic vision, rebuild capacity, and create conditions for sustainable transformation. Change leadership lessons. Deng's transformation of China illustrates how leaders must act decisively at moments of national uncertainty. His ability to replace outdated ideology with a pragmatic vision provides enduring lessons for change leaders today. This turning point offers enduring lessons in how effective change leadership can rebuild institutions, renew trust, and ignite transformation. Leaders of change must focus on restoring trust in institutions like science and education after periods of disruption or neglect. They must be prepared to replace rigid ideology with practical strategies that support long-term growth and renewal. Change leaders recognize that valuing and empowering expert voices strengthens a nation's capacity for innovation and reform. They establish strategic priorities to focus national efforts and lay the groundwork for sustainable transformation. Leaders of change build credibility by taking visible actions that create momentum and demonstrate commitment to the change agenda. Summary leadership quote: change leadership requires strategic patience, embracing paradoxical outcomes whilst engaging diverse stakeholders through institutional frameworks that anticipate unintended consequences. Change leadership responsibility. 1. Articulate a change vision. Deng Xiaoping's leadership in 1978 demonstrates that articulating a compelling change vision requires clarity of purpose and the courage to redirect a nation away from entrenched systems. At the third plenary session, he reframed China's direction by emphasizing modernization, education, and integration with the global economy. This vision was not abstract but grounded in practical outcomes that addressed immediate economic stagnation while also laying the foundation for long-term renewal. Effective change leaders in organizations face similar challenges. They must articulate a vision that addresses current difficulties while building future capability. By replacing outdated ideologies with a pragmatic path forward, leaders create momentum without creating unnecessary instability. The clarity and credibility of the vision enable stakeholders to understand both the urgency and the transformative potential, securing commitment throughout the journey of change. Find out more. Change Management Leadership, Leadership of Change, Volume 4.